Pak, nagdrama-drama pa ko kadyot.
Drama.
Yeah, I'm drama queen. Yeah. Okay. No, she ko.
Conan.
No, she.
Hold on, because I've got to get this one.
Yeah, okay. This one. Yeah, no. Mag-tube yung ko ni kanunayhan. It should be exposed all the time. Nabugay ko na ako. Han.
God, it's hard to get in.
Kambak kong kay kus kalipay. Galisod ka og ko ang tawad. Hindi siya. Precious man kay ka. Bali?
Turn it round.
Bali pagkataod.
See?
No, bali pagkataodhan. Hold mo ba? Kaya. Bali pagkataodhan. Yeah. You put. Ana. Okay. No! Mahalon kay ko. I feel so expensive.
Yes, so don't.
I feel so expensive.
Not
I feel so very valuable. Bita valuable mo kay ko. Matud pa ni husband.
Yeah.
And I'm so flattered because he always say to me that I'm very valuable. What? No, there's a term you say precious. Aside from precious, you say to me, "Oh, you are very expensive." Aside from that, there's a word nga ni sulti siya ba nga. Aside sa precious, expensive, nindot kito siya nga word han. That you say to me, ha?
Lavish.
No. Kanang kuan kay ko ba? Yeah, because you are. Nindot kay siya kalimutan ko sa to. I forgot.
I can't remember.
Na imo gitong gisulti nga kuan mag especially hindi ko okay syempre mahalon ko then when I said that na siya gikuan siya mahalon man gyud ka you are so expensive to the eyes of everyone. Yeah they are. So really expensive na kay ko. Thank you hon. Oh my god. Madlong kung sulog kay kagaram mo kay kukuan kanang alahas hindi kay kukuan alahas badi ko mayo mo gam alahas. So our wedding ring more suddenly we both in kuan Singapore. Pauna na mong kadong kita sa Singapore. Hindi siya mag-friendship ring the commitment ba. The more sa magigamit pagkasal after we went to our first meeting was meeting in Hong Kong. That was April, and then the second meeting is in December in Singapore on the spring 2010. So 4 years, yeah, that stayed in our fingers. Our commitment ring 4 years, it stayed in our fingers until nangita siya unsa amo ang before sa among kasal you're looking for a wedding ring, yeah, and then gikapuy ko pinangita dali kay ko kapuyo di ko kay ba mamili god. So yeah, pakita sa akong sister minsan na siya garak kay. Anyway, thank you and thank you for all your prayers, especially and pray to my family, to my common friends, to all my loved ones. Thank you for being always there for us. And yeah, marriage life is unpredictable, and every day for me is a blessing that I have my husband with me, because we never knew what comes after today, diba? So I always made sure nga matreasure na ko every day. And I'm happy we have our son Ethan, and I'm supportive, and my in-laws were very supportive with me, and everyone else, everyone kung sa simbahan, tanan mga galan ako, everyone in the church, everyone. And also God is watching over us all the time. That's all I always pray, that whatever comes along the way, magpabilin lang akong faith, our faith, our continuous desires that to be with Him all the time. And God is good. Hey, ang tagaan ko good. Ang ko pagkataw. Gara, ang sad. I'm diamond. You can't afford. You open.
What?
Oh, no. God, I need to read this. I need to read this. Sorry. Hold my hand. Wow, again. Subya ka na ako. Ang biyag ko ron. Na-hype ko. I feel so hype. Honestly. Honestly, good. I did not expect this. Honestly. So, on our anniversary, the most amazing woman I've ever known. Today, I'm reminded of my happiest day. The day we both said, I do. Since then, our time together has shown me so much of your kindness and strength. Your unconditional love is the magic that holds our family together. Always finding new ways to show your love. Where did you vote this? Nice lagi. And that's what makes our marriage so strong, despite all of life's challenges. For everything you are and every loving thing you do, I feel so lucky that I have you. Happy 10th anniversary. 10 years have flown by and I fall more in love with you every day. Mahal kita. Medyo ko pala po. I did. What's that? Emotional ko. Buang. Yay! From chocolate. Kasi ito, chocolate.
Oh, the inside it? Doesn't have a thing inside it, then?
Huh? Resibo.
There you are. There's your VIP card.
VIP! Oh,
Keep
of
that
course.
because you can
VIP.
get 25% off.
This one. Okay,
in
yeah.
the coffee shop.
I'm VIP. VIP.
They've got a
Coffee shop?
inside.
Oh, inside? Where?
Marriott.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
It's just a new one.
Yeah.
Then we'll go there.
When?
Today.
We can do if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, just today we'll go there instead of going somewhere. Is that okay? Just go there.
We
and
can
then we'll
always
have
go
a
to.
drink.
We can always go out to.
Where?
If you want to go to the Hungry Horse.
Yeah, we can go to 100 and then take Ethan with us. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that will do. Because we're supposed to go to where our honeymoon. What was that?
The Red Lion.
The Red Lion, where we stayed after the wedding, but it's quite far, and then I find it unfair if under traffic. I find it unfair if you're not celebrating as well with Ethan. Gusto na ko kuyog si Ethan ba, bisan sa kaon man lang muna mo ang celebration. But yay! Look at that. Nice kayo. And that's my favorite color. In kayo. Matwig na rihel kay mo palit ko gingani nga top.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it. I found it there in Next, like this color. So it will goes along with this. So mo VIP. Oh, si VIP. VIP. Love you.
Love you.
Thank you. One good kayo. Images kong gihay. And hang on sa hand. Mom and Dad, thank you. From Mom and Dad.
You've got to decorate that.
And yeah. Look. It lights, especially if you turn the lights. I'll turn it off, yeah. Look at that.
It lights up.
Hindi siya makita kayo. Aris.
Very dark, you know?
Yeah. Para what? Basta musiga ni siya, da. Ano lang. Kinanglan good, very dark siguro, no?
Yeah.
Well, it's like a lampshade,
Yeah.
probably. Yeah, it's nice. Mana na yung ulo. So we went out yesterday. We went to Garden Center. Yeah. Thank you, Mom, for your card for your son and daughter-in-law. An anniversary message. Time for some sparkling celebrations. You deserve to share a fabulous anniversary together as you make more happiness memories. With love, Mom and Dad. Yay, Stephen and Raquel. Thank you, Mom. And thank you for everyone who wishes us our 10 years anniversary. And
Special to me, it's the day that's filled with pleasant memories. It hardly seems like another year has gone. You filled my life with so much happiness and joy. Life has many special moments simply because you are there. This comes with love and fondest thoughts on now our anniversary is here. It's so good to look back at the happy times we shared and all the special ways in which you've shown your love and care. Life is much nicer when you share it with the one you love. Thanks for being so wonderful each day and all year long. I cherish the love we share and how far we've come together. I appreciate you more every day all through the year. Now, no words could ever describe the joy our anniversary brings or how it fills my heart with warmth with even the smallest things. On a special day, no ordinary card will do. My heart is filled with love for you. Each day they hold you through. Happy anniversary, you mean so much to me. I'm glad you're in my life. I love you always. Well, happy anniversary, 10 years. Love, loads, Mumsy.
Oh,
nice. Yeah. Where'd you get that one from? Same as me.
Say, huh? No, I don't think it's the same as you.
So what we got then?
Okay. Da-dang, da-dang.
Body shop. Have you bought me some perfume? Oh, yes. Mumsy's bought me some perfume after shave, so I'd have to keep using yours.
Yeah.
Did it come off? Oh, yeah.
I hope you like the smell. Nice. Nice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to smell delicious.
You're always delicious.
Delicious.
Kata ka, kata ka.
Oh. Very nice.
Very nice?
Yes.
Yeah?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Marks and Spencer's.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You wear that today.
Yeah, you need to iron
You wear it now. No need to iron it.
Look at this crinkle.
Jesus.
Thank you. Oh, where's my chocolates?
No chocolate.
You said
We will share. Yeah, no, I did not say that.
Oh.
No, we'll go to no, because I don't know how to choose chocolates. You know me.
You don't have to choose
Until now, I don't know. It's like I find it more on the smell and the
your sister
floating.
knows. I think she wants